Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this is a short video of my power strip in my bottom drawer. Alright guys, this is what I've been doing. I added a power strip into my bottom drawer. Now I'm like the big dogs. And it opens and it closes. Got a little bit of zip tie maintenance, but other than that, I'm done. Alrighty, quick video. Alrighty guys, sorry for the wind noise. I got the ceiling fan going and the box fan in the window out here in the man cave. I want to say a special thanks to Colden's Customs for showing me that trick on how to put a power strip in a bottom drawer. Awesome job, buddy. Thanks. With that, I appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. We'll see you in the next video, guys, and stay safe.